Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived a rabbit. Rabbit was no ordinary rabbit. He was a very kind rabbit. And he was also a very curious rabbit. He was always asking questions about everything around him. So he asked the tree, "Oh, excuse me, but what is that?" The tree said, "That is a rain cloud. It's going to rain soon." The rabbit was very excited. "I have never seen rain before. How wonderful it must be." One day, the rabbit was sitting under a tree and he saw a cloud floating past. He had never seen such a big cloud before. At that moment, the rain cloud drifted closer. The rabbit looked up at it and said, "Excuse me, kind rain cloud, would you please rain on me? I want to feel the rain." The rabbit opened his eyes and saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. He had never been so happy before. He wanted to share this happiness with all the animals in the forest. From that day on, the rabbit was even kinder than before. And whenever he saw something beautiful, he just smiled and kept it in his heart. The rain cloud was kind, so it started raining on the rabbit. The rabbit was so happy. He closed his eyes and enjoyed the rain. After a while, the sun came out and the rain cloud drifted away. So he went up to the squirrel and said, "Oh, my dear squirrel, come and see the beautiful rainbow." The squirrel was busy collecting nuts, so he just waved his tail and said, "Go away, silly rabbit." The rabbit was not sad. He just went to the bear and said, "Oh, Mr. Bear, look at the rainbow in the sky. Isn't it beautiful?" The bear was taking a nap, so he just waved his paw and said, "Be quiet, be quiet. I want to sleep." The rabbit was still not sad. He just went to the deer and said, "Oh, Miss Deer, come and see the beautiful rainbow." The deer was playing with her friends, so she just shook her head and said, "No, no, silly rabbit. We don't have time to play." The rabbit was not sad at all. He just went back home. He was sad that his friends could not see the beautiful rainbow, but he was happy that he had seen it.